If you're tired of seeing more hair in your brush than on your head, I totally get the frustration. Brittle, breaking hair is a nightmare to manage. I actually went out and bought the top 5 sets claiming to fix this mess so I could test them myself. Here's what actually worked and what felt like a waste of money. Product number 1. Pura D'Or Anti-Thinning Biotin Gold Label Set. When I first pumped this out, I noticed it has a much thicker, more concentrated feel than your typical drugstore brand. It doesn't feel watered down at all. The scent is medicinal, but in a "this is actually doing something" kind of way. While using it, I didn't get that massive sudsy foam, which usually means fewer harsh sulfates. After about 2 weeks of testing, the biggest thing I noticed wasn't just less breakage, but how much sturdier my hair felt at the roots. It's clinically tested, and you can tell they focused on scalp health. My drain wasn't clogging nearly as fast, and my hair had this weight to it that made it look way fuller. It's got biotin and a ton of herbal ingredients that seem to actually penetrate the strand rather than just coating it in wax. If you're dealing with genuine thinning along with the breakage, this is the heavy hitter you want. It's a bit of an investment compared to others, but for a professional-grade formula that tackles the root of the problem, it's worth the extra cash. Product number 2. Marc Anthony Grow Long Biotin Set. The packaging on these tubes is great. They're easy to squeeze even when your hands are slippery in the shower. The first thing I caught was the set. It's really pleasant and fresh. The conditioner has a lot of slip, which is a huge deal for me because I usually snap half my hair off just trying to get a comb through it while it's wet. What really impressed me during my testing was the caffeine and ginseng combo. It felt like it gave my scalp a little wake-up call. Because it's designed for growing long, it focuses heavily on preventing those mid-shaft snaps and split ends that stop your hair from ever reaching your shoulders. My ends stayed looking fresh cut for much longer than usual. It's also surprisingly good at taming frizz, which is a common side effect of brittle hair. If you're trying to grow your hair out but it keeps breaking off before it gets there, this is your best bet. It's a solid middle ground option that smells fantastic and makes detangling a breeze. Product number 3. L'Oréal Paris Everpure Bond Repair Kit. Holding these bottles, they feel a bit more boutique than the standard L'Oréal line. The texture is very creamy. It almost feels like a high-end hair mask rather than just a daily conditioner. It's sulfate-free, which I could tell immediately because my scalp didn't feel tight or itchy after I rinsed it out. The performance here is all about bond repair. I used this after a particularly rough color treatment, and it seemed to glue the frazzled parts of my hair back together. It didn't just make my hair soft, it made it feel stronger. It's a vegan formula, which is a nice bonus if you're trying to keep your routine clean. It leaves a very smooth, polished finish that makes it look like you just walked out of a salon. If your hair is breaking because of bleach or heat styling, you need this bond building tech. It's the closest thing you'll find to those super expensive professional treatments without having to spend $50 a bottle. Product number 4. Herbal Essences Argan Oil Repair Set. Opening these bottles brought back a lot of memories. That signature citrus scent is incredible and stayed in my hair all day. The shampoo is a bit thinner than the others, but it lathers up beautifully. It felt very moisturizing from the moment I massaged it in, which is likely thanks to the argan oil. During my trial, this set was the winner for pure softness. If your breakage is caused by extreme dryness, this oil-based formula acts like a drink of water for your strands. It's pH balanced and color safe, so I didn't see any of my highlights fading away down the drain. It made my hair feel incredibly silky and easy to manage, which naturally meant I wasn't tugging at it and causing more breakage. This is the perfect choice if you're on a budget, but still want something that feels luxurious. It's a reliable, safe bet for anyone who just wants soft, hydrated hair that doesn't snap every time you put it in a ponytail.
Product number 5. L'Oréal Paris Everpure Thickening Kit. These tubes are sleek and stand upside down, so you actually get every last drop out. The formula is very dense. When I worked it into my hair, it felt like it was coating every single strand. It has a very clean, almost minty fresh sensation on the scalp that I really enjoy during my morning showers. I noticed the thickening effect almost instantly after blow drying. It doesn't just help with breakage, it actually pumps up the diameter of the hair you have left. For someone with fine, fragile hair, this was a lifesaver because it gave me volume without the crunchiness of a styling product. It's sulfate-free, so it's gentle enough to use every single day without worrying about stripping your natural oils. If your hair is both thin and breaking, this is the one to grab. It's specifically formulated for fragile hair, meaning it treats your strands with kid gloves while giving you that extra boost of body.